Brothers and sisters, today we are celebrating the memorial or feast of Our Lady of Loreto, December 10, 2024. The memorial of Our Lady of Loreto recalls the mystery of the Incarnation. Since the Middle Ages, the faithful have venerated the Holy House of Loreto. According to legend, this house in a town in Italy is the house which Mary was born in the Holy Land and lived in until she was married and went to live in a new home with Joseph. As such, this would have been the home where the angel Gabriel visited to ask Mary if she would be the mother of God. And our Holy Father Pope Francis put this memorial to the Universal Liturgical Calendar in the year 2019.